Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix can't follow account problem on TikTok. It is not a secret that users follow other users in a hope of a follow back. However, sometimes it can happen that you are not able to follow any TikTok account. Why? Actually, due to the different reasons, like you are following too fast or just unclear reasons. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can try to solve this issue. Firstly, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. After that, go to the settings and find the option called Free App Space. Click to open it. Next to cache, press on the clear button. Now restart the app. And make sure that you're using the latest TikTok version. If all these steps didn't solve the problem and you still can't follow, then go to your TikTok profile page and click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find the Report a Problem section. Tap to open it. Press on the Follow Like comment. Hit the Follow option and tap Enable to follow a user. Click on the No and hit Still have problem. Now explain your problem. You can also upload a picture as proof. Once done, submit your request and wait until TikTok will review and respond to you. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to fix can't follow account problem on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueSocial.com.